All right, guys. So we're back at Mopar Heaven, y'all. I call it Mopar Heaven. EMP Performance. So, you see them. Mopar, Mopar, Mopar. You know what I mean? Nothing but Mopars, guys. You know, EMP Performance specialized in Mopars. You know what I mean? So, whoa. Guess what I just tripped into? Woo! Woo! Catless pipes, guys. So this is what we're gonna be doing today. All right, no time to waste, guys. Let's get this show started. We're about to install the Catless pipes. Here you go. Also changing the O2 sensors. Some people actually like gut out the cats. You heard of that?
Yeah, they take them out, but it's still a cat's. But
What do you think about that?
I mean, you already got the pipes. I mean, I know we had to do it for one guy because his were blown out, and the guy was like picking it up, and we had to put the mid pipes on. And I looked inside, and they were all crushed.
Oh.
So we had to fish it out. We had to keep taking it piece by piece out. It was horrible. But some people, what they do is they cut out the whole cat and just put a welded piece in there.
Yeah.
That's pretty smart. I mean, that's better. But this is not bad at all. You got Catless mints.
And what about like as far as engine lights?
Oh, because there's no cats.
Yeah.
I think Eric has to turn the cats off.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't think you'll get an engine light.
Okay.
Because most of these cars out here have no cats. So they all get inspected and they all pass. So he must have something in the tune that he can turn that off with. So he has to touch yours, I guess, and do yours for Catless.
All right, cool. So Eric's the man for this job.
Oh God. That's too heavy.
Oh.
Okay, that's tight. Nothing rattling, everything. I'm just gonna extend this a little. Yeah, this is not gonna reach.
All right, guys, and we're done.
Go. Eric, pull around, there's somebody behind you.
All right. That sounds crazy. Mopar Heaven, guys. EMP Performance. Yes.
Problem, not with problem. Hello?
Huh? All right, I'm letting my boy G-Rock, test drive it real quick. That way I could hear it from the outside. Let me see how this sounds. Sounds crazy. Sounds crazy. Yeah. I don't know if I could get used to this noise though. But it's not a daily, guys. It's not a daily, so I don't mind. I love it. I love it. EMP Performance. They always doing their thing, you know. Ooh, speed bump. Whoa. All right, guys. Let me stop making too much noise. Know what I mean? I don't want to get pulled over. But definitely, I can even feel more horsepower. Like I could feel the pull, being stronger. Yeah, boy. Snap, crackle, and pop. Yeah. All right, guys. So I just came back from installing the Catless pipes over our EMP Performance, and it sounds crazy. It sounds mad loud. I had to let my boy G-Rock drive my car just so I could hear it, because it sounds crazy. It sounds amazing though. But anyway, I just wanted to show you real quick of a rare view that I just so happen to have right now in front of me. So I want to share it with you guys. and it's a lineup of my 3 cars on the street. So I got my Nissan Cima right-hand drive, I got my Pro Charged Dodge Charger, and I got my black dirty Lexus. I call it the dirty Lexus. I hate black, yo. I cannot stop talking about it. Every time I see my Lexus, it's always dirty. I don't have the time to be cleaning it up every day. That's the daily though, you know, but I still show her love. So let me just keep showing you. Right-hand drive, Nissan Cima. Static, by the way, and it's going on air pretty soon. It's mad low, but I love it. Then we got this piece right here, Pro Charged Dodge Charger RT with the Jazz Marina blue custom paint. And you have my 2019 ES 350 Lexus with a peanut butter interior and panorama roof. Woo. This is a rare view right here. All my 3 cars lined up. And when I say rare, it's because, you know, who's gonna drive my cars to the same spot? You know what I mean? Like, it's just me. But you know, it so happens that way because I was switching cars all day, you know, and I found parking back to back on the street. You know what I mean? All right, guys. So please like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.